Alright, so what I'm going to do is I was having problems with the pulse pump. I did have it mounted inside over here, and it was running out of fuel. It was running really bad, running out of fuel. I remounted it up on top here. So what I read was make sure that the pulse pump is higher than the carburetor, which is here. So now that it's higher. Before, when I had it inside here, inside here somewhere, it was a little bit lower than the carb. So then, this already had a hole in it in the valve cover, going for like evaporator canister. There was an evaporator canister here, and it was plumbed through the air cleaner right here. That was this hose. This hose here went right here, and there was another hose going from here to here. So I put a little brass fitting in there, and then hooked this right in there. And it's working pretty good. But then I found that you can buy an insulator carburetor that has the little spacer. There's this little black spacer right here, and it has a little port on it. And supposedly it's supposed to give you more vacuum than doing it this way. So I'm going to take all this stuff off. Take that little isolator off, put this one in, and then take the rubber hose and stick it on there. But to do that, I'm going to take all this stuff off. I'd probably even take this green part off. So here are the two different ones. This is the original one, right? It does not have a little port. This is the other one, the new one. It does have a port right here. Looks pretty much, it matches right up. And then I have the port right there on the new one. So the hose will still go in the same spot, and then I'll put that port there. All right, so put this back on and all back together. So. There it is right there. Okay. Oh, and you can see I put a fan on there. I don't know if it's going to do much good. It's going to blow air down this way, and I don't know. There's a little bit of room over here. Air might come out this way. It's going to push it down. There's an opening in the back when this gets installed, so maybe the air will go that way. I don't know, but at least it'll have some air blowing over it. It's two wires. I'm going to hook up a relay, but I'm going to put it in, hook it up, run it, make sure it fits and everything before I go and wire up a relay and everything. Alright, so I want to make a quick disconnect for the positive negative battery. Everything else is pretty much quick disconnect. I have a plug for the 110. All it is one hose for the fuel, and I want to make a disconnect for the 12 volt. So I bought this disconnect on place on eBay. I think it's for like forklifts or whatever when they have the charge them when they have the batteries or whatever. And I think I'm going to put it. I'm trying to remember where I said I was going to put it. I'm going to put it right here. So it's got like two holes there. I'm just going to zip tie it. I can just zip tie it right there. You see that? Right on the side here. And then I'll have my other cord coming from the RV plug right in. So that should be good. And then also, so back here, you would have the wall, right? So this way the wires can come up and go on the wall. Okay, so I know I said I was going to put the connector on top, but unfortunately the wires that I had available, they weren't long enough, so they only reached to the bottom. So I decided to put it down at the bottom. It was hidden nicely down there. It worked fine. It didn't get in the way of anything, and it works fine. Stay tuned. I'm going to be putting this generator in the RV pretty soon, and I appreciate all your support and watching my videos.